Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Maximum permissible. So maximum permissible radiation exposure. So this includes, first is the part of the body. So first is we look at the whole body. So what is happening in case of whole body? The whole body, it means that it is the effective dose. So it is the effective dose, the occupation exposure in case of radiation workers, there is cumulative. So cumulative means there is about 2 MSV. So there is 2 MSV and this is per year and averaged over the 5 consecutive years. 5 consecutive years. Then comes in case of annual, you have about 30 MSV. So 30 MSV in any single year. So in case of any single year. Then what is the general public exposure? So general public exposure. So here you have the 1 MSV and this is nothing but per year. Next, moving on to the length of the eye. So length of the eye, you have the equivalent, you have something known as the equivalent dose. So this includes nothing but the 150 MSV, the 150 MSV per year, and that is nothing but 15 REM. Next is the general public exposure. You again have 15 MSV. So 15 MSV again per year, and this is nothing but the 15 REM. Then moving on to the skin and the extremities. The skin and the extremities, that is, it includes the hands, it includes the feet, and this is the equivalent dose. So here the occupational exposure in radiation workers, it amounts to about 500 MSV. So in case of the lens of the eye, it is 150. In case of the skin and the extremities, it is going to be 500 MSV. This is per year and this units being 50 REM. So the general public exposure is again going to be 50 MSV and this is 5 REM. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.